Namaskar, my name is Arusti Sandhi and I will tell you easy, quick and amazing experiment. So the things we have to take is some bottle, a glass, a spoon, a watercolor and candle and some mastic and a plate. So first we will put the water in the plate and then we will put the color. Okay. And now we have put the color and we will mix the color well in the water. And it is mixed now. Now we will put this candle in the center of the plate and we will burn a matchstick. Okay, it is burned. Now we will burn the matchstick also. Candle has burned. Now you will see a magic. You will put the glass upside down on the candle and you can see the magic. So here the candle goes off and the water rises up. Why it happened? The candle goes off because the oxygen contained in this glass has taken by the candle and the space that was empty, that is taken by the water by pressure. So